Hi students, now we will see the components of moldboard plow. Here is the 3-point linkage attachment. This is the top link for attachment purpose, and these are the two side links. One is left, one is right. This is the hydraulic lever. That lever rotates this MB plow at the time of end of the field to rotation purpose. So first is the major part is moldboard. This is the moldboard. That part is called as moldboard. Then function of this moldboard is to create the furrow slice, means lift and turn the soil at the time of plowing operation. And this is the point of shear. This whole part is shear, but this whole part is shear, and this point is called as point of shear. The function of shear is to break the upper crust of the soil, or actual breaking function of shear, actual breaking the upper crust of the soil, or it actually penetrates into the soil for initial opening of the soil. Then this part is called as frog. This frog is the attachment of the all the other components, means frog is the component here all other parts are attached, and this part is called as land side. It creates the lateral thrust or creates the furrow wall. So these are the major components of moldboard plow at the time of plowing operation. This is having two bottoms. This is the single and this is the second bottom, means two bottom reversible MB plow. We can reverse the direction of the MB plow by using this lever, and whole system is controlled by hydraulic system of this tractor. This is the drawbar of the tractor, and these are the 3-point linkage. Now we will see the detail operation of this MB plow. This is the rotation of the reversible plow. This is the continuous plowing method, no gathering, no casting. That's why there is no formation of back furrows and dead furrows. I will use reversible plow, turning the soil to the left hand side. This moldboard probing the soil or create the furrow slice, turning and lifting the soil at the left hand side of this moldboards. So this is the furrow. This part is called as furrow. These are the furrow slice. This part is furrow slice. When we end up this plowing at the one side, then we can reverse this MB plow by using that control lever, and we will start this point. New furrow is started at the adjacent furrow. Here we can easily understand how actual MB plow works. Shear actual penetrates into the soil, breaks the earth crust. Now it will turn the soil in the right side. That's why its method is called as continuous flowing method. Hope you understand. Thank you. Hi students. Now we will see the ploughing operation. Here two bottom MB plough attached with the John Deere tractor, and continuous ploughing is there. There is no method of casting or gathering, because here we use the two bottom reversible MB plough. Reversible means we can rotate this MB plough in 360 degree. That is the operation of MB plough. Here is one lever. By using this, when it will cover the land at the end point, we can turn this tractor. Here is the lifting of this MB plough, and that lever, that is the rotation of this MB plough. That's why it is called as reversible MB plough. Now here we will clearly see the attached MB plough with the tractor.